Men over 60. The way you position your body tonight has a direct impact on how you feel when you wake up tomorrow. There's one specific sleep setup that improves circulation, protects the pelvic area, and helps bring back morning firmness many men believe is permanently lost. It doesn't require exercise, supplements, or effort, just the right alignment. I'm Dr. Drops. Before we begin, let me ask you something. How do you normally sleep? On your back, your stomach, or your side? Leave your answer in the comments. It gives me a clearer picture of what habits we're correcting. Now, let's fix this, starting tonight. Most men unknowingly sleep in ways that limit blood flow to the pelvic region. Lying flat on your back can flatten the lower spine and decrease circulation to the pelvis. Sleeping on your stomach places direct pressure on sensitive areas and interferes with natural blood movement. Even side sleeping, when done incorrectly, can pinch blood vessels in the hips and legs, reducing overnight circulation where it matters most. That's why so many men over 60 stop waking up with morning firmness. The issue isn't failure, it's restriction. For 8 hours, circulation is being blocked. During sleep, the body repairs itself. Hormone levels naturally rise at night, including testosterone, but without proper blood flow, those internal processes don't translate into physical results. The fix is simple: adjust how you sleep. The most effective position for men over 60 is a supported side-lying posture. Here's exactly how to set it up. First, lie on your left side. This keeps pressure off internal organs and supports healthier circulation overall. It also helps prevent compression of the main vein that returns blood to the heart. Second, slightly bend your knees. Not tightly, just enough to create a gentle angle, roughly 30 degrees. This relaxes the hips and reduces strain on the lower back. Third, place a pillow between your knees. This step matters. It keeps the pelvis level and prevents the upper leg from pulling the hip out of alignment, which would otherwise restrict blood flow. With your hips stacked, circulation stays open. Fourth, support your head properly. Your neck should remain in a neutral position, not tilted up or down. This keeps nerve signals between the brain and pelvic region flowing freely. Fifth, optional but very effective, roll up a small towel and place it under your lower abdomen. This creates a slight lift in the pelvic area, subtly encouraging blood flow throughout the night. The lift is gentle, but the impact is real. That's the entire setup. This position keeps your spine straight, your pelvis relaxed, and your circulation unobstructed all night long. It works for 3 main reasons. 1. No pressure. Nothing is being compressed. No twisting of the hips, no weight on sensitive areas, and no pinched blood vessels. 2. Proper alignment. When the spine is aligned, nerve communication between the brain and pelvic region stays clear. The nerve responsible for sensation and function remains free from interference. 3. Gravity works in your favor. With slight pelvic elevation, blood flow is encouraged toward the pelvic region instead of away from it. During deep sleep, the body naturally cycles blood to the genitals. This is a normal maintenance process, but poor positioning blocks those cycles. This setup removes the obstacles so the body can do what it's built to do: repair and restore. Want to amplify the results? Add these 2 simple steps. Before bed, take 30 seconds to release your pelvic floor. Lie down, breathe deeply, and fully relax the muscles you'd normally use to stop urination. This prepares the area for better overnight circulation. Practical. Also, keep your bedroom cool, ideally between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius. Cooler temperatures improve sleep depth and support healthy hormone production. Deep sleep is where recovery happens. Men who follow this full approach, proper sleep position, pelvic relaxation, and a cool room, often notice stronger morning firmness within just a few nights. So here's your plan for tonight. Sleep on your left side, knees gently bent, pillow between them. If you have a small towel, roll it and place it under your lower abdomen. Try it tonight and notice how you feel when you wake up. And if this helped you, tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and remember, better mornings aren't behind you, they're still ahead.